Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my session. In today's video, we are going to cover few different examples from both quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. So, in today's video also, we are going to cover 25 different practice examples for your upcoming examination. If you guys are new to our channel, just subscribe and share this information with your friends who are preparing for the different examinations. Definitely our content will help your preparation, guys. So before starting my session, please like our video. If you like our video, it reaches to the maximum number of people. And press bell icon, guys. You never miss any updates from our channel. Yes. So without any delay, let's start the session, guys. Try to solve this question and question answer in the comment section. Here the question number one. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now see, if you observe these numbers, here the relation among 3, 24 and 4. So we can conclude it. Product of first number and last number. So product of first number and last number is 12. If 12 is multiplied, if you double it that product, then the result will become 24. Same way, let's take these options here. 11 plus 6 is 20. 17 into 2 is 34. It's not. 8 plus 2, 10. Multiplied by 2 is 20. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. Finally, see. 4 plus, sorry, we have to multiply it, right? Give me a second. Okay, now 12 into 4 is 48. 48 double number is 96. So 9 into 4, 36. If you double it, then it becomes 72. Yes, perfect condition is D. So product of first number and last number, and you should double it, that satisfy the condition. Very good, Nada. Ramesh, Razi, good. Move on to the question number 2. Just pick a odd one out. We have these options CFIL, GHIJ, MOQS, PSUX. Let me write in alphabetical position C. C3, F6, I9, L12. If you observe that difference between letter to letter is 3. G7, H8, I9, J10. Difference is 1. Let's go for that M. 13, 15, 17, 19. Difference is 2. Now see, here P 16, S 19, U 21, X 24. If you observe that see, A, B, C has common difference. Difference is same. They has a common difference. But here the difference is not common. Here the difference is 3. Here the difference is 2. Here the again difference is 3. That's why D is odd one. So here PSUX is odd one out. Why? Because option A, B, C has common difference. Joshna, it's PSUX. Ramesh, it's not B, it's D. See, it's a common difference. So here the similar thing, ABC has a similar thing. It's a common difference. D is not similar, like 3, 2, 3. It's a different numbers. That's why odd one out is PSUX. Let's move on to the next number. Pick odd one out here. The numbers 128, 189, 254, and 270. Now see, so you already aware of this particular divisible by 7 property. If any number, if any number is given, pick last digit and you have to double it, and this number you have to subtract from previous number. If the resultant is 0 or multiples of 7, if the resultant is 0 or multiples of 7, then entire number is divisible by 7. Let's use this property here. 126, pick the last one. Double of 6 is 12. 12 minus 12 you will get 0, so definitely it is divisible by 7. Let's go for 189. 9 double number is 18. 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. If you get 0 difference, definitely it is divisible by 7. Now here 25, if means double of 4 is 8. Difference between 25 and 8 is 15. And 15 is not at all divisible by 7. So finally here 21 double of 7 is 14, then the difference is 7. As I told you, it is 0 or multiples of 7, then entire number is divisible by 7. It means except C, remaining three numbers are exactly divisible by 7. That's why 254 is the wrong number. Is it clear? Are you clear about this property and application? Next. Now let's understand this condition. Lawyer is related to the justice. And the same way, arbitrator is related to the judgment, injustice, settlement, and communication. So what is the answer for this question? And you have to learn few different words and their meanings also. See, you already know that lawyer and see, lawyer is related to the justice. So lawyer is fought for the justice. So, with the help of the valid proofs or documents, that person is fight for the justice. In the same way, arbitrator. So, arbitrator is a person who fought for the settlement. Guys, here the perfect answer is settlement. He is the person who is appointed to settle the whatever the information, settle that whatever the issues. That's why arbiter is fought for the settlement. So lawyer is justice and arbitrator is settlement. Let's move on to this question, analogy. Joshna, Lakshmi, Uma, Meghana, very good. So try to solve this question also. Now see, let's check with this alphabetical. C is 3, E is 5, G is 7, I is 9. So as you're aware of that, A1, G7, E5, K11. So let's check these conditions again. Minus 2, minus 2. 5 minus, sorry, plus 2. Again minus 2, plus 2. The same way, D, as you are aware of that, fourth letter, minus of 2, we require P. Same way, F. F is the sixth letter, plus 2, we required eighth letter is H. So we require BH. So don't look into the remaining two. You can get that option with the help of those two letters. B, H, F, L is the correct sequence. So here, according to the question, C is the correct answer. Next. Say same relation can satisfy one of the option. 36 and 84. 36 and 84. Guys, if you observe these numbers, 36 and 84, highest common factor is 12. It means, see, 12 is multiplied by 3. We have a common factor 12. 12 is multiplied with a 7. So, if you observe both the numbers, 12 is the highest common factor. 12 into 3, 12 into 7. Let's check the option number 1. 27 and 63. 9 into 3 and 9 into 7. Yes, it is multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 7. Let's check with the remaining option. 21 and 51. As you aware of that, see, 51. See, 51, 50 is 3 is multiplied with the 17. So, but you never get 21 in 17 table. Why? Because see, here you can able to see that quotients are same in given question and the answer figure. In the same way, 57 and 135, 45 and 95, you can got these quotients. That's why the best possible answer is A. A is the best suitable answer according to this condition. Very good, Nana. Joshna, Meghana, Ramesh, Raji. Good. Now, guys, this is for you. Try to solve this question after my live session and let's post your answer in the comment section. So, just understand the relation among book and treasures. And we have a four different options, and one of the option can be similar to the our main question. So, try to solve it after my live session. We will move on to the next question. Let's answer this question. Now, here the question C. Find the relation between 4 and 32. For example, we'll think in this way, sir. 4 is multiplied with a 8 is 32. So there is a two ways. You can directly multiply with a 8 or double of 4 is 8. Let's take this condition. 8. If you go for double of 8 is 16. So 8 into 16 is not 248. So 5, if you double it, 10, it never be a 62. 10, if you double it, it become, it's not, see, it's not satisfy our condition. Let's think in another way. Sir, 4 cube is divided by 2. See here the number 4 cube. 4 cube is 64 divided by 2 is equal to 32. Let's verify this condition. So here 8 cube. 8 cube is 512 is divided by 2 is equal to 256. It's not. Now 5 cube is 125 is divided by 2 you will get 62.5. Now 10 cube is 1000 it is also not. Now see here 6 cube. 216 divided by 2 is equal to 108. That's why if 6 is to 108 follows our main statements. That's why D is the suitable answer. Next. Action is related to the reaction in the same way stimulus is related to. Try to answer this question. Action is related to the reaction in the same way stimulus is related to. Now see, action which leads to the reaction. So action leads to the reaction in the same way. Stimulus is leads to the response. It's not reception, it's a response. It leads. Action leads reaction in the same way. Stimulus related to the response only. Is it clear, Nana? Yes. Let's go for the next question. Let's find the relation BECD DGEF can be concluded. Now see, as we discussed yesterday, try to remember all the alphabetical opposite pairs. See, BY, you can remember with the help of name boy. Electrical vehicle EV, Climax CX, DW, David Warner. I told you yesterday, guys, you can expect one of the question from opposite pair logic. Let's find the alphabetical opposite pair for D. David, we require Warner. Grand, test, electrical, vehicle, for you. Just remember all those pairs within names. If you remember with these names, you can recognize that logic, guys. B is the correct answer. Next, let's see this question from ratios concept. So these questions from quantitative aptitude. Guys, kindly please like our video. If you like our video, it reaches to the maximum peoples, and subscribe our channel to whoever new to our channel. Now see, here the information. 1875 rupees are divided among A, B, C in such a way that A share is off of the combined share of B and C. Let us take that A got A amount and A share is exactly equal to off of what B and C got. The combination of B and C, if you make it off, that is exactly equal to A share. And B share is one fourth. B share is one fourth the combined share of A and C. Combined share of A and C. It means B plus C is equal to 2A. A plus C is equal to 4B. Let's find the ratio of ABC. If you combine those equations, you will get ABC ratio. Now see, you can replace here, guys. So let's take the conditions. Now see here B plus C is equal to 2 times of here let's replace in this way. C value is equal to 4B minus A is equal to 2A. Now this is the value of 5B is equal to 3A. So here it means B is equal to 3 units, B is equal to 3 units, then A is equal to 5 units. If you know AB value, guys, let's take this condition again. B value is 3 units. C, we need to identify that 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So definitely C's value is 7 units. Now you got the ratio of ABC. Now you already know that 5 plus 3 plus 7. If the total value is equal to 15 units, sum of these three parts is equal to 15. Then 15 units is total and the value is given as 1875. Let's cancel here. 15 ones, we have 37, 15 twos, 15 fives. So each value is 125 units. Now we have to identify that what is the value of C. Okay, no, that's not question. Here the question, what is the amount of she share more than A? Now C already more than A. Guys, C got 7 out of 15, C got 7 and B, A got 5 and B got 3. In a comparison, C got more than A by 2 units. And aware of that, in your calculation, each unit is 125. Then 2 into 125 is equal to 250 rupees. Is it clear? So try to learn these kind of conversions. Let's see this question from ages. Now see here the data says that 10 years ago, they are talking about 10 years ago. 10 years ago, father is when compared to the sun is 3 1 by 2. As you know that 3 1 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Father is 7 units, son is 2 units. Now the ratio is 7 is to 2. 10 years from now, 10 years from now, father's age will be. Now see, this is the present and this is 10 years from now. Then the father's age is 2 1 by 4 times of son. 2 1 by 4 times of 10. 2 1 by 4. So this is all about 9 by 4. Father is 9 times and son is 4 times. And what will be the sum of the ages of father and son at the present? Let us take this data. If you want, if you are interested in equation method, let us take 10 years ago, father's age is 7x and son age is 2x. Now, what about the present age? Present age of father is 7x plus 10 and son is 2x plus 10. From here to here, 10 years after. So, here the father is 7x plus 20 and son is 2x plus 20. Now, if you cancel it, now it is in the ratio of 9 by 4. See, 7x plus 20 divided by 2x plus 20 is equal to 9 by 4. Cross multiply them. 7 into 4 28x, 4 into 20 is 80. 9 into 2 is 18x, 9 into 2 180. Let's go through the difference here. It's a 10x is equal to 100, then you got x is equal to 10. If x is equal to 10, then what is the sum of those percentages? 9x plus 20, 90 plus 20 is 110 years. Let me teach you another method, guys. But you should understand that point. Just give me your answer regarding this. Present difference between A and B. Their ages is 10 years. After 10 years, what is the difference of their ages? Give me the answer. If you calculated present age difference is 10 years, after 10 years, what is their age difference? Please let me know in the comments. If you understand this point, maximum 99% of questions you can solve through this point. At present, age difference between A and B is 10 years. After 10 years, what is the difference of their age? Yes. So there is a no difference you can see after 10 years or after n years. Difference is always constant. So remember this point, difference is always constant. Now see, 10 years ago, 10 years ago, here the ratio is 7 is to 2. Now this is all about the present. They are not given any ratio in present. But after 10 years, again the ratio is given as 9 is to 4. But before 10 years or after 10 years, difference of their ages is always same, right? Let's find the difference. Difference between these two values are 5. And the difference between these two values are 5. So difference is same, right? Then you can compare the data. As you're aware of that, from here to here, the total duration is 20 years. Total duration is 20 years. Now, if you compare here, 7 become a 9, 2 become a 4, it is exactly equal to 2 units. If 2 units is equal to 20 years, then each unit is equal to 10 years only. So here the difference between 2 and 4 or 7 and 9 is 2 only. If 2 becomes 20 years, each unit is equal to 10 years. Then 10 years ago, father age is 70 years. Why? Because each unit is 10. Son is 20 years, right? But here the question, what is the sum of their present age? Sum of their present age 10 years ago is 90. But after 10 years, father increases 10 years and son is also increases 10 years. So total sum value you have to add 20 years to the 90. That's why sum of the present ages is 110 years. We are not framing any equation. If you understand that, difference must be same. Based on that point, you can solve it. Is it clear? Is it clear about this approach? Let's try to solve this question from concept of irrigation and mixes. See, there is a two mixers contain milk and juice in the ratio of 2 is to 1 and 4 is to 5. So these are the two mixers, mixer 1 and mixer 2. If equal volume, guys, they clearly mention that if equal volume of two mixers are mixed together, so we have to mix equal volume. So after mixing together, what can be the ratio of milk to the juice in resulting mixer? Guys, sum of these two values is 3 units. Sum of these two units, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 units. And they clearly mention that it has an equal volume. But if you observe that here mixer 1 is 3 units, mixer 2 is 9 units. According to the condition, volume must be equal. Volume must be equal means you have to multiply with the 3. If you multiply with 3, then the mixer value becomes 6 is to 3. 6 is to 3. If you mix together, then you will get here. After mixing together, you will get milk is 10 units, 4 plus 6. Juice is 8 units, 3 plus 5. So if you cancel this ratio, then it becomes 5 is to 5 plus 3 is 8. Yes, it's, give me a second. Sorry. So 2 into 5, 2 into 4. Then the ratio becomes 5 is to 4. It's in the ratio of 5 is to 4. Is it clear? They clearly mention that it's an equal volume. If you calculate a 2 plus 1, it's a 3 units, 4 plus 5 is 9 units. Both are not in equal. That's why we have to equate it. So how we are going to equate it? Milk 2 is 9 quantities, milk 1 is 3 quantities. You have to multiply only mixer 1 with the 3 units. Then it become equal quantity. So 5 is to 4 is the correct answer. Very good, Nana. Joshna. Raju says 7 is to 5. It's not. Raju, it's 5 is to 4. Is it clear? Let's understand this question. Now, 820 is divided among 6 men, 8 women, 12 boys in such a way that every woman gets an amount equal to the received by one man and one by combined, and that every man gets one and a half time amount received by a boy. Then what is the total amount received by 8 women? So answer this question. Now see, now we have to divide 820 rupees among 6 men. Let us assuming that men get M rupees, 8 women get W rupees, and 12 boys, boy gets B rupees. Let us take that amount is M, woman is W, boys is B. In such a way that every woman gets an amount equal to the received by one man and one boy combined. Men and boy combined. And every man gets one and a half times. One and a half time means 3 by 2 times received by boy. Let's find the individual contribution of men, woman, and boy. Here you got the ratio. Men is 3 units, boy is 2 units. Men is 3 units, boy is 2 units. If you replace here woman you got is exactly equal to 5 units. And you already know that we have a 6. So how many women are there? 8 women and 6 men and 12 boys. Now 8 into 5 is 40 units. 6 into 3 is 18 units. 12 into 2 is 24 units. If you go through that sum, if you go through the sum, it is 82 units. If I have 82 rupees, 8 women got 40 rupees, 6 men got 18 units, and 12 boys get 24 units. But according to the condition, given amount is 820. If 82 is 820, then each unit is equal to 10 rupees. But here the question, what is the amount received by 8 women? 8 women got 40 units. Each unit is 10 rupee. 40 into 10 is equal to 400. Yes, Joshna, Raji, good, Shaya. Let's go for this question from again. Ages concept. Answer it. The ratio of present days of Maithili and Shabnam is 4 is to 7. And the difference between present days of Sabnam and Mithali after 5 years will be 18 years. And what is the sum of the present days of Maithili and Sabnam? Answer this question. It's a pure ratios concept. Guys, kindly support our channel. Please subscribe and share this information with your WhatsApp or any college groups. So definitely they will get benefit and we are also feel happy for you from your support. So kindly share this data and then information. Guys, you can check this material after my live session. You can get this PDF in my Telegram channel. Search V2BVK. You can get all my channels. And if you search V2BVK, you can get the name Visit to Victory. You can join my channel and download this PDF and you can look into this. And this is my Insta and WhatsApp channel groups also. If those links, if all links are available in the description, you can check the description. You can find the links also. Now see, first of all, Maithili and Shabnam. Let us take that age, present age is 4x and the present age is 7x. Now the difference between the present age of Sabnam is 7x and Mithali after 5 years, her age is 4x plus 5. If you find the difference, then it becomes 18. So 3x minus of 5 is equal to 18. So 3x after 5 years. Difference between the present days of Sabnam. Sabnam is 7x, right? Okay. So let's see this question once again. The difference between the present days of Sabnam and Thalia after 5 years. Okay, their ages after 5 years. Okay, this is also plus 5. Now see, it's all about 3x is equal to 18. Why? Because difference is always same, guys. So make it simple and the difference is always same. If the present difference is 18 years and after 5 years difference is also 18 years. Let's make it simple. If x is equal to 6, what is the sum of the present days of those? So sum of these values is 11x. 11 into 6 is 66. In present or future, difference is always same. Difference is always same, then don't go for the equation method. 4 and 7, difference is 3 units. 3 become a 18 is 6 times and some value is 11. 11 into 6 is 67. No need pen and paper. If you know the concept, you can get this answer directly. Let's see this question from profit and loss. Now see, a cycle was sold at 4,140, then they get a profit of 150, 15%. So what price could have been sold it to earn 25%? Let us take the data in this way. Let us assuming that cost to price of cycle is 100. If I sold it for 15% as a profit, definitely selling price is equal to 115. But I'm expecting a profit of 25%, then I use it to sell it for 125. So this is normal transaction. Compare the data. If 115 units is equal to 4,140, right? Is it clear? Let's go for the calculation. 115 is multiplied with a 4 times. 4 into 5 is 20. 4 into 4 is 6. 426. Okay. So both 23 table. Let's stick with the 23 table. 23 is multiplied with a 5 times. So 23 ones 23. So you can get the difference of 23 plus 7 is 30 plus 11 80 184. So let's go for 8 threes 24 8 2 16. So this is exactly 180 times. So again it is exactly 36 times. Each unit is equal to 36. Now if you want to sell it for 125 units, what can be the price? So 125 is multiplied with the 36. Now 36 is multiplied with a 5 is 180. 18 is carry over. 36 into 2 is 72. 72 plus 18 is 90. 0. 9 is carry over. 36 into 1, 36. 36 plus 9 is 45. Now if he sold it for 4,500, then he get a profit of 25%. For example, if you want what is the cost to price is 100 units, then each unit is equal to 36 rupees, then it becomes 3,600. Yeah. Yes. Let's go through this question from average. As you're aware of the formula, average is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. Now see, average of 9 numbers is 40. 9 into 40. 9 into 4, 36. Total sum value is 360. And the average of first 5 numbers. See, first 5 numbers. If average is 38, then sum is equal to 38 into 5. 38 into 5 is equal to 190. Same way, last 5 numbers. Average is 50. So what about the sum here? 50 into 5. 50 into 5 is equal to 250. See, if we go through the sum, then the total value is equal to 440. And see, if you observe that first 5 numbers and last 5 numbers means there is a one number which is repeated. According to the question, 9 numbers if you add, you will get 360. But we are repeating one number, that's why the sum goes for 440. See, why they got 440 means we are repeated one particular number. So that's your answer. So difference between 440 and 360. So that one number value is 80 units. Next. Yes. Try to answer this question. Now see here the question. Nisha, Deepak are married couple have a daughter named Tanya. Nisha, Deepak, Tanya. Currently, Deepak is 5 years older than Nisha. Deepak is 5 years older than Nisha. So D value is equal to n plus 5. And Nisha is thrice the age of Tanya. Nisha is equal to thrice the age of Tanya. N is equal to 3. If Tanya is 10 years old, if 10 years old, Tanya is 10 years old, then Nitya, not Nitya, sorry. Then yes, Nisha is 3 times of Tanya means 30, and you already know that Deepak is 5 years elder, then it becomes 35. I had the question, what was the her father's age at the time of his daughter's birth? So father means Deepak. Deepak present age is 35. At the same time, Tanya is a daughter of Deepak. Her age is 10 years. At the time of birth, so 10 years ago, Tanya is born. So definitely at the time of born, Deepak age is 25 years. Understand the simple statement. Next. Again, let's see this question from Asus. Joshna, Sri, Raji. Very move on to the next question. Now, a father was 12 times old as his son 20 years ago. They are talking about 20 years ago. Now he is twice as old as his son. What is the present age of son and father? 20 years ago. They are talking about 20 years ago. So father and son. So father and son. How many times here? Father and son is 12 times. 12 is to 1. Now, if you go through the present is, the present is father is twice as old as his son. As I told you guys, difference of their ages must be same. What is the difference here? In this condition, difference is 11. In this condition, difference is 1. And we have to equate those differences. If you want to equate it, you should multiply with the opposite differences. Is multiplied with a 1 and multiplied with 11. You are not going to change anything here. It's a 12 is to 1. But here 11 into 2 is 22 and 11 into 1 is 11. Then you can get that same difference. Now 12 to 22, 1 to 10, then the difference is 10 units. According to the Northern, exact year difference is 20 years. If 10 units is equal to 20, then each unit is equal to 2 years. Another question, what are the present ages? See, 20 years ago, the age of father is 24, age of son is 2. So what is the present age? Present age means we have to add 10 more units. If you add 10 more units, then it become, sorry, 20 years we have to add. Directly you can substitute here. Why? Because here these 22 and 11 are present ages. 22 into 2 is equal to 44 or 11 into 2 is equal to 22. So their ages are 44 years and 22 years. Next, try to answer this question. Try to solve this question, guys. Now see, at a party, the number of girls is half of the number of boys. Ratio between girls and boys is 1 is to 2. After and above, 5 boys live. Let us take that after above, 5 boys live. 5 boys live. And 3 girls are joined. Number of girls we are already assuming Z, 3 girls are joined. Then the number of boys and girls which are equal. Then how many were present in the party and above before? And above before the respective ratio must be 1 is to 2. Let's go through this information here. B minus G must be 8. Difference between B and G must be 8. So if you go through that, B and G difference is 1 unit, right? If 1 unit is 8, then the number of girls are 8, number of boys are 16. Now how many people are present? 16 plus 8 is 24 units. It's 24. Yes, back to the reasoning here from coding and decoding. Answer this question. So here DIG is coded as 25. So D4, I9, G7. So 4 plus 9 plus 7, you will get the sum value is 20. But instead of 20, they given as 25. Let's check with cut. C3, U21, T20. If you go through the sum, then the value becomes 44. But instead of 44, they given as 49. Means every time they are adding 5 units to the sum of alphabetical position. Now let's go for the kick. 11, 9, 3, 11. So 11 plus 9 is 20. So 20 plus 14 is 34. But don't choose your answer is 34. According to the condition, you have to add 5 units. Then the resultant become 39. Don't choose 34 guys. It's 39. 39 is the correct answer. According to the code language only, you have to consider your option. Next. Now, see in a code language, victory is written as CIVSYRO. Then traitor is written in that language. VICTORY. CIVSYRO. Guys, you can see that Y here, R here, O here. But here the center letter T minus 1. Traitor, TRAITOR. So here ROT, here ART, then I minus 1. I minus 1 is H. So answer ARTH. ARTH is the correct answer. D is the suitable answer. Very good, Mana. Jyotirmay, Amar Raja. Good. Let's go through this question from coding and decoding. Back. Back is coded as 11312. Then cake is coded as 5113. Guys, number of letters which are not equal to the number of digits. If it is not, then you have to go through that alphabetical position. Now see, is considered in this way. C alphabetical position is 11. So K is 11, C is 3, A is 1, B is 12. So simply, if it is not like number of alphabeticals and number of digits which are not same, then it's a simply application of alphabetical position. Let's go for made. So it starts from 5, D4, A1, M13. So answer 54,113 is the correct answer. So try to answer this question. In a certain code language, temple TEMPLE is coded as DKOLDS. Then how worship 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 is written in that code language. See, from here to here, E minus 1 is D, L minus 1 is K, P minus 1 is M minus 1, E minus 1, T minus 1. Now see, P minus 1 is O. So it starts from O. We have two options. Either answer is A or D. I is ninth letter, 9 minus 1 is 8th, eighth letter is H. So you can see that option is A. So here A is the correct answer. Next. Again, guys, this is for you. Try to answer this question in the comment section, guys. Try to answer it and post your answer in the comment section. I hope you enjoy the session. You can download this material from my Telegram. Guys, you can find the link in description or you can search simply V2VBK. All the links are available there. You can get my channel name as Vision to Victory. I hope you enjoy all my live sessions. If you really like our video, just little support is needed. Just subscribe our channel and share this information with your friends who are preparing for the examination. Let's feel like this is our channel. So definitely we will come up with more number of videos, guys. So that's it from today's session. Until the next session, have a nice day. Good night.